Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Isn't it odd that people who ought to be in partnership with each other end up bitterly opposed? It applies to teams working across functions, joint ventures between organizations, union management battles, suppliers and manufacturers, family disputes, and even civil wars. This accidental adversary system archetype arises when each partner in a relationship recognizes that they could mutually support each other's success. But as they take action to improve results, they respond more attentively to their own local needs than their partners. A contractor is engaged to build the expansion of a mine. By all accounts, every day saved on the critical path is worth millions of dollars in revenue. But when the contractor submitted their bid, they were focused on providing the lowest possible price. The mentality that informed their strategy was to secure the deal and make up for any shortfall in profits by claiming variations every time the scope of the project, once in execution, inevitably changed. The owner, on the other hand, went to market looking for the lowest possible investment required to bring the new mine into production. They felt they had the whip hand and, imagining all other considerations to be equal, wanted to maximize their return on investment by tightly controlling the amount invested. In all of the heat of tendering, both parties lost sight of where the real value lay. Whatever the daily cost of building the new mine, the revenue generated by early completion would completely dwarf it. So, why would they not both focus on a reduction in the critical path and create a win-win? They had become accidental adversaries. Avoid falling into the accidental adversary trap by considering the bigger systems picture when determining how you create value. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.